In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Exness account. To get started, open the Exness login page and sign into your personal area. This is where you'll manage your account settings and complete the verification process. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before continuing, since all of your verification details will be connected to that profile. Once you're inside your personal area, click on Profile. This is the section where your personal information and account verification options are located. If you don't immediately see everything, take a moment to look through the account settings area carefully so you can access the verification section without missing anything. From there, begin the verification steps. Exness will guide you through the required checks needed to confirm your identity and address. It's a good idea to complete everything in one sitting if possible, so have your documents ready before you start. That can make the process smoother and help you avoid delays. Next, enter your exact full name, date of birth, and residential address exactly as they appear on your official documents. This part is very important. Even small differences like abbreviations, missing middle names, or formatting changes can sometimes cause problems during review. Always match the information to your documents as closely as possible. After that, upload a clear, uncropped photo or scan of your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure all four corners of the document are visible and that the image is sharp and easy to read. Avoid glare, shadows, blur, or anything covering the text. If you're taking a photo with your phone, placing the document on a flat surface in good lighting usually helps produce a better result. You'll also need to upload a recent document showing your residential address. This document should clearly display your name, your address, and be recent enough to meet the platform's requirements. Before uploading, double check that every important detail is visible and readable. If the image is too dark or cropped, it may be rejected and you may need to submit it again. Finally, Exness may ask you to complete a quick 3D face scan for added security. This scan is used to match your face with the identification document you submitted. If this step appears, follow the on-screen instructions carefully, use good lighting, and keep your face clearly visible so the scan can be completed successfully. Once all of that is submitted, your verification request will be under review. That's how to verify your Exness account